I just got copies of the book that I made about the Anatomy Set in Stone mosaic series, and I gotta say, I am so much more thrilled with how it looks than I even expected. So there's the cover, a little spread, just kind of with some details. If you smush it together, my face isn't quite so bisected. More about the project. Photo of the studio and some of the machines, the back of the mosaic, comparison of the drawing and the mosaic, more text. And then this one is actually life size. See, there's a little black square of tile. It fits on there exactly. So if you get the book, you can see at least a little bit what they look like life size. And then each of the mosaics side by side with the original 16th century etchings. You can really look at them and compare. That's my favorite part of this whole project is looking at the original and the mosaic and seeing just how true to life the mosaics are. And I'm happy. I had the first 5 professionally photographed, but until I can get them in a bigger space, everything is iPhone photos, but these seem to have come out pretty well anyway. And there's the most complicated one so far. And then to the skeleton. This skeleton is all done except for the face. I'm going to wait until I get the second skeleton done and do both of the skulls at the same time so that they're as similar as I can make them. So here's the one that I'm working on now. And actually, since the book has been printed, I'm all the way up to the knee. And then here are the 4 that are left to do. These 2 and these. And this will all be lapis and jasper for the veins and arteries, which is going to cost a fortune. And then there's an article from Smithsonian Magazine and one from Atlas Obscura. Here's the front of the mosaic and here's the back when it's flipped over for installation, which is kind of cool. Photo of me in the metal shop, me and Marcy with the big mosaic I made for Stagecoach. And then the back nicely reflects the front. So I'm really pleased with this. They're print on demand for $25, but I think I would probably pay even, well, I know I have paid a lot more for art books that weren't even as cool. So anyway, hope you like it. Thanks, bye.